Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your Android phone network with your laptop using a USB cable. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to connect your Android mobile phone with your laptop using a USB cable as you do for the charging. So I'm just connecting my laptop to my Android phone. And once you connect your USB cable from your laptop to the mobile phone, you will see this kind of message. So here you just need to press yes, allow access. And once the access is allowed, what you need to do is you need to go to your settings by pressing to the settings icon, and then you just need to click on the more option here, and then click on the tethering and portable hotspot option here. Okay, so just click on tethering and portable hotspot option, and here when you are connected from your Android phone to the laptop via USB, you will see this option which is USB tethering. So I'm going to just enable this option, and when you enable this option, you will see on your Windows laptop this kind of message which says, do you want to allow PC to be discovered by other PC and devices on this network? Just say yes. And once you are connected via USB cable to your laptop, you will see this icon will turn into this kind of computer icon. It's same as if you are connected via LAN cable. So now your Android phone is sharing the internet of your Android phone with your laptop. So when I go here, I can search for anything, for example, dogs here, and it's working, right? So you can see I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi. I'm connected directly to my Android's internet via USB cable. Also, I can verify this by going to the control panel, and then here go to network and internet, and then go to network and sharing center, and then here click on change adapter settings. Okay, so just click on change adapter settings, and you will be able to see that you are connected to this network, which is network 3, which is other than your normal Ethernet or your Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is how you can share your Android phone internet with your laptop using a USB cable. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.